Everyone, hope you're doing good. Today, I'll tell you one of the best way to create a professional resume. So, if you're looking for a job and you are trying to create a resume which should look professional, eye-catchy, and it should have all the things which you need on a genuine professional resume, then this tutorial is for you. And the best part is you don't have to spend too much time on it. You don't have to spend 4, 5, 7 hours to make a resume. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes max to create a wonderful looking resume. So for that, you just need to type at the address bar canva.com and hit enter. And I'll also tell you how you can export into PDF and Word or any other version. So here you just need to sign up. It will take hardly 2 minutes to sign up with your email, and it is absolutely free. Once you're done, you just need to click on this create a design from Canva, and here you will have a lot of options, and the fifth option is a resume. So I'll click on that, and at the left hand side we have many options. I'll let you know. Recently use all results. So here we are getting the templates, some of paid, some of free. So you see this crown sign, that is pro version, and few are absolutely free. So if you want to create a new resume, you have there are wonderful, according to me it is really great. So you just need to edit this and you can create your own. So let's say I have chosen this, and I'll just click here and I will have a single page here. You can also add a page like that, or like that you can add a page and just add this one. Let me just click on that. That's a pro version. So here I'll just add one more. I guess it's a pro one. So there are many free as well, don't worry. So here we have this. So the first and second. Now here what I will do is I just need to edit this thing, and here from you can make it size bigger, and you can change the name, your details like that. You can select a lot of templates here, and then once you're satisfied, once you have changed the resume according to yours, and then you just need to click on share, and here we have this download option. And once you click on download, you have this option called PDF standard, or you can JPEG. You can also save it. You can convert it into PDF to Word later. There are a lot of converters. You just need to type PDF to Word and it will convert it for you. However, the standard the file standard would be PDF, so I would recommend, and it is also suggested, that create your resume in PDF format always, because it's good, and there is the alignment will be good. Even if you take it somewhere else to take the print, the PDF will be better because it will not be unaligned. So most of the people use Word file to print the resume, so that sometimes change the alignments and everything, but PDF won't. So that's why PDF is the best file to create the resume, and you can always convert it, you can always change it, you can come back here, edit and download again. So you can do that. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.